This 2025 Winnebago Minnie M-Series 2,326 megabytes is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 26 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, slide-out, TV, air conditioning, microwave, smoke detector, oven, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, awning, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago Minnie M-Series 2,326 megabytes is 5,672 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.